On a case-by-case basis, you can connect with faculty members on LinkedIn, but keep in mind each person may have a different take and personal policy on whether they add students or alumni to their network. Some folks are more inclined to say yes than others, so don't be offended if your invite goes ignored. Before sending a connection request, I'd encourage you to talk with a faculty member and ask if you can add them to your LinkedIn network, as a means of checking in with them and getting their consent. In addition, this may give you the opportunity to learn and/or understand if the individual does use the platform and possibly the best way to maintain the relationship with him, her, or them. If you've been given consent, connect with a faculty member on LinkedIn and include a note. Beyond this, I recommend developing your own criteria for when to connect with a faculty member on LinkedIn. For some, this is when you're comfortable showing up to their office hours and asking questions not directly related to the course material. For example, their areas of research interest, careers, and etc. Lastly, only consider connecting with a faculty member near the end of a course or when grades are already in the system, unless they've encouraged you to do so. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make a one-to-one appointment with our consultants.